If you're experiencing integration errors on Fleetio, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issues quickly. This guide will help you identify and fix common problems. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device has a stable internet connection. A weak or intermittent connection can cause integration errors. Try restarting your router or connecting to a different network. Step 2. Verify API credentials. Confirm that your API credentials are correct. Go to the integration settings in Fleetio and double-check the API key and any other required information. If necessary, regenerate the API key and update it in your integration settings. Step 3. Review integration settings. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Update software. Ensure that both Fleetio and the third-party application are updated to their latest versions. Outdated software can lead to compatibility issues and integration errors. Check for updates and install them as needed. Step 5. Contact support. If the issue persists after following the previous steps, reach out to Fleetio support for assistance. Provide them with detailed information about the error, including any error messages and the steps you have already taken to troubleshoot. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve integration errors on Fleetio effectively. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek professional help.